To add a promo code on the Kroger app, begin by obtaining a shopper's card from your nearest Kroger store. Next, download and launch the Kroger mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. Then create an account and add your shopper's card number, or sign in if you already have an account. At the bottom of the app, navigate to the Savings section, where you can view all available coupons, browse through them, and filter as needed. To use a coupon, simply clip it, and it will be automatically added to your linked shopper's card. For online shopping, select the items you wish to purchase. Proceed to the checkout by clicking on the cart icon at the bottom right corner, and the clipped coupons will be applied to all eligible items when shopping in store. Navigate to the top left of the app, click on the 3 arrows, and scroll down to Plus Card. Then, scan your card details at the store checkout, and all clipped coupons will be applied to eligible items by following these steps. You can easily apply promo codes or coupons on the Kroger app, whether you're shopping online or in person.